Crystal, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to make resin plugs. And the resin plugs that I made, will be making, my bad. The plugs I'll be making are these pretty Seashell Inlay resin plugs. If you would like to know how I make these plugs, keep on watching.
Bye.
You're going to need ice resin, part A and B. You're going to need a cup. You're going to use half A and half B. Make sure you have a spoon. I'm using molds, 30 millimeters. Okay, so let's get to pouring. I'm pouring part A, which is the clear part, first. Ooh, watch me pour. Watch me pour. Watch me pour. Ooh, I messed up a little bit. Okay, now this is part B. This is the hardener. You're gonna need just a little bit. Don't pour too much or it's gonna turn yellow. You don't want your plugs turning yellow. Okay, now you're gonna stir. But stir very slow. When I mean slow, I mean like this slow. It should be slow motion. Slow motion. Slow motion. Slow motion. Okay, we're gonna speed this up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Oh. Okay, now this is how it's gonna look if you did it way too fast. You're gonna have to let it sit for about 15 minutes.
Hours later.
Now this is how your resin should look, Pooh. Clear as day. See right through it. You can see that through, right through, and oh. Okay, now we're gonna get to pouring. I've already put my seashells in my molds, and now I'm just pouring. I'm gonna do the other side and repeat the process. As you can see, move it over a little bit, and get to pouring. Okay, now our plugs are ready. As you can see, we're gonna pop those things. Pop those bad boys. Okay, now our plugs are ready and they're out. Look how beautiful that is. Look at the shine to them. Flip it to the side. There it goes. So pretty. Okay, now it's time to repeat the process again. You gotta pop those bad boys out. Ooh, I was struggling. Ooh, watch me struggle. Just ooh. Ooh, now there it goes. Look at that shine. Look at it. Ooh, okay. Get it right, get it tight. Ooh, now turn it over. Ooh, look at that shine. Look at them. Ew. Okay, here's a close-up of the plugs. They look real shiny and real pretty, but as you can see, I kind of messed up. I didn't fill the resin plugs up as much as I thought, so we're gonna go back and fix that. Okay, here we are, me going back to fix my plugs. This is me with a little bit more resin. I'm gonna fill up the top. Only the top to where it's even all the way around. And you're gonna see me manipulate the resin. I kind of got a little bit of the resin to get on the paper, but you're gonna see me whoop-de-whoop and clean that up real quick. Make sure you go around and get the resin all around the edges. You don't want any part that's really jagged, rough. You want to make sure that every part is even and well coated. Okay, so here's the finished product. I did drop this plug, so it does have a little scratch, but it looks perfect. I went back and I filled up the back where I missed my spots. So overall, this came out very beautiful, very easy, and very simple and easy to make. I will leave all the links down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey you, I see you about to click off my video. Hit the subscribe button to your left and watch my last video to your right. And don't forget to like and comment, and I'll be back with another video.